today I want to show you how to make the bone broth. The ingredient is Daikon radish. This one big, so I just you have only, and 2 carrots, 1 sweet onion, 1 pound of baby back rib. Before we make the broth, let's clean the baby back rib in the boiling water. I will show you how to do this. Alright, let's clean the baby back rib. So you see the water already boiled. We do like this. We make everything dirty from the meat come out. So when we make the broth will be clear and smell good. So you see how dirty from the baby back rib come out. So we should do around 1 minute. And then rinse off under cold water. Alright, when you see boil and we bring in the sink, rinse off the cold water again or hot. Alright, after we clean the baby back rib, we put on the side. We start prepare the Daikon radish and carrots. So we cut the Daikon radish. I just you have only. We cut like this. Alright, time to make the broth right now in Instant Pot. We put everything inside the Instant Pot. I use 3-liter water. Close the lid. We turn on the soup and broth right here. Remember, turn off the keep warm. So let it cook. Alright, I'm back. Let's see. Our broth already done cooking. Wow, our broth already done. Look at this. The broth really clear and smell really good from the daikon and carrots, onion, baby back rib. Okay. We're done.